The vibration from this cupping will go down along the spine, along the central energy channel, going down to the bottom of the torso and opening up all the channels.
Chunyi Lin describes the spine as one of the most important energy highways in the body. Along the spine runs a major channel that connects the brain to every organ and system. When tension, inflammation, or stagnant energy accumulates along the back, it interrupts the communication between the brain and the rest of the body. This can lead to fatigue, pain, emotional heaviness.
Hard working can bring you an easy life, but a good feng shui setting up can help you with a good fortune. Everything in the universe is energy. We all know about that. But how to harmonize the energy? When you put the energy in the right place, in the right time, this will help you to amplify the qi, and then the qi field, the energy field in your home, in your living space, in your office, so that you can help to invite the unwanted energy to transform, so that you won't have that much challenges and problems in your business, in your life, in your relationship. Instead, you will invite the right energy from the universe to help you, and you harmonize the energy in your environment so that you can get the best as you can based on your purpose.
Chunyi Lin emphasizes is the condition of your entrance. The main door is considered the mouth of qi, the place where energy enters your home. If this area is clean, open, and welcoming, positive energy can flow inside easily. If it is blocked, messy, or neglected, energy struggles to enter. Keeping this space clear symbolically invites opportunities, peace. He also encourages bringing natural elements into your home. Plants are especially powerful because they are living energy. Healthy plants absorb stagnant energy and release fresh, vibrant qi. They also remind the body of nature, which naturally calms the nervous system. Water elements, such as small fountains or even images of water, symbolize flow and renewal. These elements support emotional balance and mental clarity.
Now bring your body back to the center. Stop. Continue to bend your knees a little. Fingers slightly open. Say in your mind, I am in the universe. The universe is in my body. The universe and I combine together. And you feel that your body and the universe are merging together as one. When you feel your body and the universe are merging together as one, how that feels to you. Bring the vision of you way, way back to the beginning of the universe, to the beginning of the creation of all beings, including human beings, how that energy looks like. Everything is so
This step
peaceful.
relaxes your nervous system and prepares your body for healing. It reduces stress hormones and allows your energy channels to begin opening.
Everything is so perfect. And now slowly you'll bring your hands up like holding a ball in front of you. The size of the ball like a volleyball or basketball. Now you notice that you are holding your hands in this way in front of you. Fingers slightly open. And you bring your focus to the elbows. Now, starting from this moment on, you inhale and exhale slowly through your nose, if that's possible. Inhale, open your hands to both sides by moving your elbows first. Exhale, close your hands. Elbows move first, and then the hands, fingers follow. Inhale, you visualize the universal energy, love and healing power coming in through the skin, running through all the gaps of the cells and organs and collects in your lower dantian. When you exhale, see light from your lower dantian shooting out from every part of the body to the ends of the universe. And then inhale, you drop your knees a little bit more.
This connects the front and back energy channels of your body, creating a complete
Exhale,
energy circuit.
slowly
It allows
straighten
energy
up
to
your
flow
knees.
continuously through your spine and torso, improving internal balance.
Inhale again, slowly drop your knees a little. And exhale, slowly straighten up your knees. Continue to move your body and your hands in this way. Make sure your fingers are slightly open. And use your elbows to guide the movement. Use your hands to feel the tingly sensation, the qi flow.
This area is known as the lower dantian, your main energy storage center. Activating it strengthens your life force, improves
Feel the
vitality,
tingly
and
sensation
supports
in the
overall
tip of
healing.
the fingers. Do you feel the nice warmth in your arms, in your back? Do you feel there's a heat traveling along the spine? When you feel any movement like that, including maybe you might feel kind of an ache and pain a little bit here and there while you're doing the movement, itchy sensation, they are all the indicators telling you that channels in your body are opening up. And you are so happy to notice that. Say thank you to your body. Thank you to the universe for sending you love and healing to help you with the healing, with the balancing.
This guides energy down the spine, clearing blockages in the central channel. It improves brain-body communication and relaxes the nervous system.
Joy in your heart. You allow this joyfulness energy to fill you up in your liver, in your lungs, telling your lungs and your liver and your organs how happy you are, how joyful you are, and how much you love them. When you say, I love you, my liver, I love you, my knee, by doing so, you are actually sending healing to that particular part of the body. And by doing so, you bring your focus back to your own body. When you bring your focus back to your own body, you bring qi to your healing, to that part of the body for deeper healing. Anytime when your mind takes off, simply just bring your mind back and focus on the feeling of the body. And you can find just one spot to focus on, like a focus on the tingly sensation in your hand, or the warmth in your lower dantian, feeling how good you feel, how wonderful you feel.
This allows energy to settle and integrate. It strengthens your energy channels and deepens relaxation and healing.
Now, 2 more movements of this movement before we move on to the next. Inhale, open your hands to both sides. Exhale, close your hands. Straight up your knees. Inhale again, drop your knees. And exhale, slowly. Straight up your knees. Hold the ball in front of you. Focus on your lower dantian. And take a deep breath. Now put your hands down.